Hello there again and welcome. Ryan Nordahl here, Epic Whitetail Habitat LLC. If you're new to my channel or you haven't already, really appreciate you hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification, that way every time I upload a new video, you get that notification right away. Today we're out here on a client property in southwest Wisconsin. We're doing some invasives control. Now, what seems to be the common invasives, or the plants that are labeled invasives, they do have their place in deer habitat, but we're out here trying to control them where we don't want them. You see in this field out here behind me, we're trying to establish some pollinators. We're planting trees out here in this CRP. It's not necessarily in a CRP program, but we call it that because it is a set aside. It's highly erodible. You can see how steep it is back here behind me. But anyway, we're out here, we're controlling Multiflora rows. We're going to be in the woods later with our Tordon, controlling some Ironwood and some prickly ash, treating those cut off stumps and everything. But we're out here with our backpack sprayer and some dicamba, controlling the Multiflora rose that's out here. Multiflora rose has its place. Deer will browse on Multiflora rose. They'll browse on bush honeysuckle. They have their place, but in the places we don't want them, they need to be controlled. They can spread like wildfire. So we've been out here spot spraying these big heavy patches of Multiflora rose, and I think we're going to have great success with it. We're going to let them die down. We're going to do a controlled burn here with it and everything too. Get it super hot, kill those Multiflora rose off. Yes, we're burning them off with chemical, but I want them dead. I want them as dead as I possibly can. It's like anything else. Even a snake, I will kill it, I'll chop its head off, I'll burn it, I'll do whatever because I want it dead. And that's the way I look at Multiflora rose when I'm trying to control it. It's the same with Ironwood and bush honeysuckle and prickly ash. When I want it gone out of an area, I will do everything I can to eradicate it. I don't care how much overboard I'm going, I want it dead. But again, it does have its place in deer habitat. So that's what we're doing out here today. Thanks for coming along on this little video. I know it's a short video, but I hope it helped you out. Good luck with all your habitat projects here this spring. God bless you all. Thanks for joining me, and keep living the dream.